Hey folks, today is March the 10th. It's currently about 9:30 in the morning. Just started watching the charts here, seeing if we have any setups, and I came across this AUD USD. I did miss this opportunity, but I wanted to show it to you guys even still. As you can see, we have all red down here. The TRB is below the zero line. Up here, we have the red bars with the skinny green bars beneath it. Got the red arrow. And now all we need to see is the blue line under the yellow line, which happened right here at this bar. And also we need to see the white line be beneath the purple line. And that happened, let's see, it crossed up. So that happened right here. So after this bar closed, we could have got in right here. All of our indicators would have been telling us to go short. We would have placed our stop at 43 pips. Take profit would be down here at 43 pips. I most likely would have shortened my stop once we moved into profit to around this level here, not taking into account the wick. So that means about 32 pips. And as you can see, that would have just gone down to our profit target area. So I had the potential to be a really nice trade there, a really quick trade. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what we'll actually be able to jump into. We need this to cross under the zero line. Hasn't happened yet. All right, so we're still waiting. Just going to have to wait it out and see when we get an opportunity to take a trade. This right here looks like it's setting up for a long. You can see we're now all green down here. We're above the zero line. Green bar here, little red bar beneath it. And only problem I see is that our last arrow was red. We need a green arrow. Looks like the white line has already crossed the purple line, and the blue line is now crossing the yellow line. So the only thing we're missing on this trade setup is a green arrow. So once we get that, we'll be able to jump in on this one. All right, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back after this bar closes. Hopefully we'll get our green arrow. All right, folks, we did get our green arrow, as you can see here. Everything still looks good. We just have to wait for these two to remain green. We need this bar to close properly. Hopefully we'll be able to get in between this level here and this level here. I'd like to place a buy order somewhere in there. That way we can place a stop right around this level and then have a take profit before we get up to this potential level of resistance. That would be the ideal setup here. So again, we're going to be patient, wait it out, and see what happens. All right, folks, this bar is about to close. Got 10 seconds. There it is. Everything's green. We're above the zero line. Green bar, skinny red bar. We got the green arrow here. Everything is pointing properly with our lines. So we're looking good. Let's go ahead and place our stop right there. And our take profit is going to be not where I wanted it, but it is what it is. We'll take it. Could have got in earlier, much earlier actually, but wanted to make sure I followed the system exactly. That's what I'm trying to do for you guys here. So we'll watch and see what happens. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and check Forex Factory now to make sure there's no news coming out today. All right, we had unemployment claims today at 8:30, but that was more than an hour ago, so that shouldn't be any issue to us at this point. All right, I'm going to check in the TR Profit System back office. I just want to see if anybody else has posted any new trade updates yet. I like to see other people's progress. Here we go. Okay. Looks like we have one new trade that has been posted. All right, my first trade, Euro USD, March 10th. Let's see what it looks like. Isn't it a bit early? Because I can see only one red bar of TRA indicator above the zero level. Also seems like the pair fell into non-tradable condition with this spiky huge bullish candle. Let me see what he's talking about. Okay, well, yeah, we definitely don't have all red down here. This is correct. This is correct. And you'll also notice here that the white line is supposed to be under the purple line. So it looks like he's made a few mistakes, or the individual made a few mistakes here. Anyway, hopefully he'll take the vendor's information here and correct that on his next trading opportunity. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back to you guys once something of interest happens. All right, guys, the market is starting to push down against us here. Getting very close to being stopped out. So let's see what happens. Came within 3 pips here. Now I could place my stop down here. But I'll leave it where it is. If the market takes us out right here, it just takes us out. Okay, I was going to try and catch the stop out, but looks like the market isn't ready to do it yet. So I'll go ahead and pause it. Actually, let me go ahead and mark these levels here so that if I happen to be away, we'll at least know where we were taken out at. All right, so we'll see what happens. I'll be back momentarily. Just wanted to show you guys another setup I just noticed here. We're still in this trade. Let's check out this USD Japanese yen setup though. As you can see, all green down here. Right at this level, we crossed over the zero line. Over here, green bar, tiny red bar. Got the green arrow. At this level right here is where the blue line crossed the yellow. And on the next bar, the white crossed this purple line, which is right here. So we could have actually entered the trade right here at this point. That would have been a beautiful setup here. 25 pip stop and 25 pip take profit. That would have been hit relatively quickly. So the trade setups do look pretty consistent. Let's take a look at some of the others. Again, as you can see, I'm only set up on 6 pairs, but this is supposedly able to work on any pair and any time frame. I'm just choosing to focus on these. All right, be back with you guys shortly. All right, folks, just another quick update. As you can see here, we have a really nice level right here that I'd like to place my stop under. 1.42104. The market pushes up enough into profit, I'll definitely move it there. That'll give us a 19 pip stop, and we'll then have a 19 pip take profit, which means the market won't have to break this level here. So I really like that idea. Let's go ahead and adjust our figures. I put this a little bit lower. We're at 19 pips, but I put it a little bit lower than the high here because I know typically the market has to go through it significantly before it'll get filled. So we'll most likely get taken out up here somewhere. There it is. All right, guys. So that is another beautiful winning trade with the TR profit system. I believe I uploaded 2 videos yesterday. So if you guys didn't catch that second one, definitely check EmpireAmbition.com or check the YouTube channel. It'll be listed there. But as you guys can see, all right, so it looks like it would have come up to this level as well. Not bad at all. And it's still going. So far from what I've been seeing, it does give really good signals, folks. So definitely take a look at the website if you haven't yet. It should be in the description box below. And of course, this is a ClickBank product, so you have a 60-day money-back guarantee. So I think it's definitely worth a look if you haven't already. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send them my way. And yeah, this is our 4th trade. All of them have been winners so far. We took a little heat on this one initially. The market came within 3 pips of taking us out and then shot up to our take profit pretty quickly. All right, take care, folks.